Everyone says Calgary's real estate market is slowing down, but that's only half the story. We've seen record low inventory, intense buyer competition over the last year, but April continues to bring a noticeable shift. If you're thinking of buying or selling, this update is going to matter to you. I'm going to tell you the April 2025 Calgary market update. I'm going to break down what's actually happening so you can make smart real estate decisions. You're going to avoid costly mistakes and you're going to feel confident about your next move. So you've probably seen headlines like home sales down 22% or inventory doubles in April or buyers now have the upper hand. But let's be honest, those headlines make it sound like the market is collapsing. Here's the truth. Sales have dropped, yes, but they've just returned to pre-pandemic seasonal levels. I think we've forgotten what those are. Inventory has doubled because last year was so abnormally low. And no, buyers don't suddenly have all the power. In the under $700,000 range, homes are still selling fast. April saw 2,236 homes sold, which is 22% less than last year, but it was right in line with long-term averages for Calgary. At the same time, inventory hit 5,867 homes, the highest it's been in over a year. So that gives us 2.6 months of supply, which means for the first time in a while, we're continuing to head towards a balanced market. Months of supply tells us how long it will take to sell all the current listings if no new homes come onto the market. Last April, we had less than 1 month of supply, which meant extreme competition and upward pressure on pricing. This year, with 2.6 months, the pace has eased, giving both buyers and sellers a bit more breathing room. A balanced market doesn't mean everything is moving all at the same pace, though. Detached and semi-detached homes under 700,000 are still seeing strong demand, often moving quickly. Meanwhile, apartments and row housing are now seeing slower activity. They have more selection in some areas and a bit of price softening as a result. Let's take a quick look at prices across Calgary compared to last month. Detached homes pricing was $769,300, down just 0.1% month over month. Semi-detached homes $691,700, essentially flat from the month before. Row houses were $457,400, up 0.7% month over month. And apartments were $336,000, virtually unchanged from the month of March. The strongest price growth we have right now is City Center and Northwest Calgary. If you're a buyer, this is your window to shop with less pressure, but don't get too comfortable. The best homes under 700,000 are still going fast. Be pre-approved and ready to act. If you're a seller, pricing is everything. Overpricing is going to hurt now more than ever. Buyers are cautious, and if homes sit too long, you're going to get skipped over. So yes, Calgary's market has changed, but it's not falling apart. It's just finding balance. So if you want to avoid costly mistakes and make confident real estate moves in 2025, let's talk. Click the link below and schedule your no pressure call and ask any questions. If this update has helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, or share it with someone you know who may be thinking of buying or selling. See you next month.